Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer. This is part 5 for the objectives of discussion of the objectives of building materials, particularly stones. So we will discuss questions from 201 to 250 here. So question number 201, the coefficient of hardness of stones used in road work should be greater than what? It should be greater than 17, right? So if you see here, coefficient of hardness as worked in hardness test should be greater than 17 for a stone to be used in road work. So hardness test is done in Doris testing machine, right? Doris, right? In diameter and height is 25 mm for the mold, right? For the size of the specimen. So answer is 17. Pick up the correct statement from the following. So we have already discussed about this. Quartz expands at suddenly expands at a temperature lower than 600 degrees Celsius. Limestone resists fire up to 800 degrees Celsius. And then at a higher temperature, it is placed to CaO and CO2. And then sandstone with silicate resist of fire in a better way, right? Now, argillaceous stone, though poor in strength, can resist fire quite weak. So answer is all of the above. You can also read it here. For a good building stone, specific gravity should be greater than what? 2.7. It should be greater than 2.7. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Soft stones for carving, light stone for arches, hard stone for standing high pressure, right? Everything is correct. So answer is all of the above. The wedging is adapted for quarrying costly stratified rocks such as, so it should be used as for the laterite, marble, limestone and sandstone, right? So everything is correct. So our answer will be all of the above. The stones obtained by blastings are used as, so if you see here, in the blastings, stones obtained by blasting are usually of small size and they are used as blast in railways, aggregates for concrete, road metal, etc. So everything is correct here. So answer will be all of the above. The proportions of charcoal, saltpeter and sulfur in gunpowder by weight are respectively. So if you see here, the proportions are 15, 75 and 100, right? And it is the mixture of saltpeter, charcoal, saltpeter and sulfur, and blasting powder and dynamite are commonly used as well, right? And blasting powder is also known as gunpowder. Quartzite is a metamorphic stone, quartzite or metamorphic stone is hard, brittle. If you see here, hard, brittle, crystalline and compact. So everything is correct. All of the above is the answer. For sanitary pipes and chemical stonewares, salt glazing is used, lead glazing is used, opaque glazing is used. So if you see here in the salt glazing, this method is useful for sanitary pipes and chemical stoneware. So our answer will be salt glazing. For the melting point of silica basically is 1730. So 1730 degrees Celsius is the melting point of silica. And also you need to note this, it is used for preparing silica bricks, coke oven and lining for glass furnaces. So this is the question for particular theory. The silica is used for preparing what? Silica bricks, coke oven, lining for glass furnaces. So everything is correct. Answer is all of the above. So now from this particular point, we will start questions from Khurmi, right? So the rocks formed due to solidification of molten mass laying below or above the Earth's surface are known as, this is known as igneous rock, right? The sedimentary rocks are formed due to what? Gradual decomposition of material, right? Generally by setting water. So option B is the correct. So here option A is for igneous rock, right? This is for igneous rock and this is for metamorphic rock, right? The rocks formed due to alteration of original structure under heat and excessive pressure is known as metamorphic rock. So we can agree on this, right? So this is correct. Granite is an example of, granite is a plutonic igneous rock. So answer is D. Igneous rock has crystalline glossy or fused structure, right? Foliate, and the second one option is for, this option is for what? Foliated means basically metamorphic, right? And for the layers of different composition, colony structure, it is sedimentary, right? The first one is the correct answer. Crystalline, glossy and fused structure. Laterite is chemically classified as, it is argillaceous rock, as everyone know. The calcareous rocks have dash as the main constituent. The calcareous rock has lime or calcium carbonate as the main constituent. Gneiss is chemically classified as, what? Siliceous rock, right? Which of the following is an example of argillaceous rock? Kaolin, slate, and laterite. These all are the examples of argillaceous rock. So our answer will be all of these. Which of the following is an example of siliceous rock? Granite, gneiss, and quartzite. These all are the examples of siliceous rock. Right? So answer is all of these. Limestone is physically classified as, so we are going to the physical classification of rocks, and the limestone is basically stratified rocks, right? So answer is stratified. Murom is decomposed laterite and has deep brown or red color. This is correct, right? So answer is A. Yes. You can see here, murom is a decomposed laterite and it has deep brown or red color. Marble is an example of, obviously metamorphic rock, right? Slate is the form of tiles is used as, so if it can be used as roofing material, right? Roof covering material. The granite is, so this is very important question, right? This slate question regarding slate is very important. So granite is mainly composed of quartz, feldspar, and mica, right? If you can see here, it is an igneous rock composed of quartz, feldspar, and mica. Sandstone consists of quartz, lime, and silica, as we already discussed in previous slides. Marble contains mostly lime and silica. This is true, right? So answer is true. Compressive strength of granite is around 70 to 130 Mn per meter cube. So if you see here it is given as 800 to 130, right? And two things you need to remember is for the limestone and sandstone as well, 550 and 650 kg per centimeter square. The answer is 70 to 30 for here. And in order to dry the quarry shaft of freshly quarried stone, it should be exposed to open air for a period of, that is 6 to 12 months, right? The answer is 6 to 12 months. A good building stone is one which does not absorb more than 5% of its weight, right? The answer is 5%. The specific gravity of stone should not in any case be less than 2.5. It should not be less than 2.5. Which of the following statement is wrong? A stone with large percentage of quartz is very soft. So the first one is wrong. Quartz has a greasy luster. So this is kind of right? And feldspar is a silicate of aluminum with varying amount of potash, soda, or lime. So the answer here is, the first one is wrong. Siliceous rocks have alumina or clay as the major constituent. So this is not correct. The argillaceous rocks have alumina or clay, right? So it is no. Argillaceous rocks have the main constituent as argillaceous clay or alumina. So option B is the answer. The color of granite is everything, gray, green, and brown here. So answer is all of these. A fine grained granite offers higher resistance to weathering. This is correct. Can be easily polished and worked. This is also correct. And is used for exterior facing of building. This is also correct. So answer is all of these. Next question. A limestone found in seams of great thickness in non-crystalline texture with earthy appearance it is known as compact limestone. So these are the classification of limestone: marble, compact limestone, granular limestone, shelly limestone, magnesium limestone or dolomite, and then conker. These are the classification. The answer here is compact limestone. A limestone containing about 30% of alumina and silica is called, it is known as conker. So if you see in the conker, it is an impure limestone containing 30% of clay and sand. The compressive strength of sandstone is 65, right? 65, and the limestone is 55. The answer is 65. The specific gravity of sandstone is 2.65 to 2.95, right? You can see here. The two things you need to remember about three things. The first one is it is sedimentary rock. Second one is its specific gravity. Third one is its compressive strength. The siliceous sandstone which has been subjected to metamorphic action is, that is, sandstone is converted to quartzite, right? So answer is C. For railway ballast, the stone should be, so it should be hard, it should be dense, it should be durable, it should be tough, and it should be easily workable. So our answer will be option number D. The quarrying of stone by the method of wedging is successfully carried out in sandstone, limestone, marble. So these all are correct. The answer is all of these. Question number 245. When quarrying is to be done in hard stone and compact rocks, the usual method of quarrying is, basically the answer is given as blasting. For the hard stone and compact rocks, we should do blasting, and for the soft rock, we should be doing wedging. So this is the for the compact nature. Blasting is for the compact nature, and also for the massive blocks of stone, it is channeling machine or channeler are used. Question number 146, 246. The compressive strength of feldspar is, so okay. The compressive strength of feldspar is less than quartz, right? Quartz is less. Quartz has more strength than feldspar, so feldspar has less strength. The most powerful explosive used in blasting is gone cotton. If you see in the blasting cotton or gone cotton, it is the most powerful form of nitrocellulose form of explosive and consists of cotton saturated with nitric acid. So this is the answer, gone cotton. Gone cotton is made by saturating cotton with nitric acid. So this is correct, right? We have seen here. Here consists of cotton saturated with nitric acid, right? So we can agree on this, right? The dressing of stone is done immediately after quarrying, right? Because we need to make it suitable for transportation. Also, it is softer in the first place, right? The answer is A. The crossing strength of stone depends upon its what? Texture and specific gravity. So our answer is D, option A and B, right? So answer is D. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.